That looks really good. Oh, you did the back too. This helped too. Every little thing. Oh yeah. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. All right, what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name is Cody. I got 4 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s.
Okay.
On 2 MD8Ks.
Yep.
I've got 80 amp hours of Ying Long and a CES alternator, 370.
You did the wood roof?
Yes, sir.
Did that help a lot?
Yes, it did.
Yeah. It looks good.
That and the wood door panels.
Ah, I gotta still do that.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Yeah. Just by sealing that off on the panels too?
Yeah, the doors were flopping real bad. Now they're pretty solid, except at the top of them.
Yes, sir. Good idea. Are you at a 50?
Yeah, I just went over there and metered 54.5.
Wow. Are you happy with it? Yeah. Awesome, man. What was your name?
It's Cody.
Cody? I remember, by the way. Anyway, can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, man.
I like the doors too. That looks good. Wow. That looks really good. Oh, you did the back too. This helped too. Every little thing. Oh yeah. And you got 2 baffles underneath it, so it doesn't even move. Did you do any distance testing with this yet?
I did a little bit.
So you know you're kind of dialed in there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, Cody. You have a good day.
You too, man.
All right.
Back in that kitchen, I spent finger racks on that pendant. Yes! of my it's all the prices get.
Woo! That's a lot of space in your cabin for how loud that is, man.
It's very hard to just.
Are you at a 50?
Yeah, I just went over there and metered 54.5.
Wow. Are you happy with it? Yeah. Awesome, man. What was your name?
It's Cody.
Cody? I remember, by the way. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.